Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Microsoft Word. Sometimes you might wonder how to make columns in your Word document. Now, if you don't know, let me show you today how to do it. Let's assume that you have opened your Word. You can just skip this one. This is my new user account. Something is happening. Now, for our learning case, let me just type something which is something without meaning. For example, I might type like this. Just to make it easier for us to populate enough data. Copy, paste. Now we have gathered, or we have collected all enough data, but now we need to make columns within this data. What you do, you just highlight the whole thing, the whole document. You can use the mouse and drag to highlight, or you press Ctrl together with letter A. Okay, we have highlighted our document. Now from here, we go to View. I hope everyone can see View. We click on View. We click on we go to Layout. We start our document when it is in home dialog or home preview. Now to make our columns, we need to go to Layout, then Columns. Now we select. It depends on you. If you want to select 2, you can select 2 columns, like as you can see, 2 columns. If you want 3, you can select 3. Now for our case, let us select 3. Okay, if you select 3, I think you can see everyone how it looks like. Our document has made itself into columns. Now if you want 2, we can just highlight the whole document. We go back to columns. We click 2. See, as you can see, our document has been converted to a column, to a document of 2 columns. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.